PDV MedTech is a one-stop shop, a single-source solution for product realization in medtech. And we've evolved over the years. Our roots were obviously in innovation and product development, and we have now expanded over the last several decades to include low to medium volume turnkey manufacturing as well. So what we do is we bridge the gap between product design and development, prototyping and innovation to full commercial manufacturing. Over the past 25 years, we've been involved in more than 600 different medical device projects supporting both development and manufacturing of class 1, 2, and 3 medical devices from head to toe. So whether you have a product that is already on the market and being manufactured and you'd like to find a new manufacturer, or you have a high fidelity prototype that is ready for final stages of development and transition to manufacturing, or even just a napkin sketch concept, we're happy to jump in at any point of the product development life cycle and help you get it across the finish line.